What a car. Do I even need to talk to you about this car? Just let the video do the talking. 2021 Defender SE 110 with a full urban design package from factory. So the car, when it's new, goes to urban, gets converted and turns into this absolute monster of a truck. Now these cars are so difficult to buy. Honestly, you try and go on Land Rover and buy a 110, a new one, you're going to be waiting 12, 13 months for one anyway. But with the urban design pack, it's an ultimate 110. You can't buy a better one. What a brilliant looking truck. All black, fully de-chromed, 22-inch urban design wheels with the mud tyres, full urban design kit, which means you've got the lights across the roof, the rear spoiler, the extended arches all painted, front and rear sections painted black, so all black, roof rails in black, privacy glass. Then we've got the SE spec, which is fully loaded anyway, so Meridian sound, electric memory seats. This one's got a sliding panoramic sunroof, but it's just the best. It really is. 76990 on the website now. Give me a call on my number on the screen. You're going to have to get it reserved because this car will fly out. It's the best one available. 76990, just incredible. In Santorini black. From the side profile of this car, so what's it got? The wheels, they're the urban design wheels, finished in satin black with the mud tyres. Now, it beefs up the normal 110 and extends it, fills the arches. Being a 110, it's got air suspension. Lots of the 90s, if you're looking at other cars, don't come with air suspension. The 110s, and this car has got air suspension, so it will sit at an access height, sits lower, looks better when it's parked up. Obviously, you can use it off-road, and that air suspension works properly. Then the extended arches, all painted. Again, beefing up the car from the side profile and the front end. Coming around the front, urban design kit with the full urban badging, front and rear, urban badging into the grille. Then the light strip across the top. You can't even look at that, it's so bright. Just looks phenomenal, doesn't it? Again, with the urban design package, all these sections painted in black. Usually this would be silver. This section would be silver, all painted in gloss black, which just transforms it. Look, it's just incredible. All the sections on the bonnet all painted in black as well. The sections in the side, the light surrounds. Then being the SE spec, we've got keyless entry. Also fitted with the steps, they're an option. SE spec into the door, Meridian sound system, lane departure warning with the warning hazard here. Memory seats, which are electric. Again, it makes a big difference, one of these. Full leather interior, sliding, not just your glass roof, it's a sliding panoramic sunroof. Other features, I'll jump in and show you the interior features first. So, electric steering column, full digital dashboard, keyless start. The roof tilts and slides back. We've also got the clear sight interior mirror if you come inside. Normal glass mirror, flick of that little switch, it's then a camera. Another brilliant feature on these cars. Front and rear heated screens, again keyless entry, keyless start, but the camera system on these, if you ever watched the videos that we do, is the best. Literally incredible camera system. Full 3D surround view system. I mean, it just doesn't get much better. It really doesn't. That comes as standard on a 110 now. I've talked about the air suspension, so we can lower it to access height, which I'll do. And then the features, ultra modern touchscreen interface with everything you could ever want. Weight sensing, cameras all around the car, heated seats. It's just phenomenal. It really is. It's not really, it's a normal Defender. We're doing so well with these Defenders because you can't go and buy them from Land Rover. But this one is just transformed. Extras, roof rails. These sections here painted in Santorini black also. The square LED rear lights. Again, the urban design rear spare wheel cover. All this back section again painted in gloss black. Not standard features. The urban design rear spoiler again transforming this rear end. Privacy glass. All D-badged at the back, by the way, no Defender badging to the back, just giving it that lovely, lovely look. Then in the boot, the 110 extra space you get, your air suspension settings just in the back here. Light headliner, again making a difference in this car. In new condition, stunning all round. It's just unbelievable, really. 76990, 6,000 miles, benefiting from just short of 3 years warranty. It's got warranty with Land Rover, breakdown assistance with Land Rover until 2024. into the front end of the car. From passenger side, again, the leather interior. It's very, very, very nice condition inside and out this vehicle. So, car is available on PCP and HP. Of course, you can call me and just buy the car, reserve it over the phone, but you will not buy a better truck than this. Honestly, the best one available, all black, just as people want it. Be very, very quick. My name's Richard, thanks for watching.